Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare a simple remedy for shrinking ovarian cysts and fibroid, and our number one recipe here is our ginger. We grate the ginger. Make sure you give your ginger a thorough wash. I have washed it behind the camera, so I'm going to grate it until I get a teaspoon of grated ginger. This remedy is a very good one. It helps to shrink fibroid and also help to shrink ovarian cysts. And not only that, a lot of health benefits you can derive from using this recipe. And the reason why I'm recommending this recipe is because I've seen people testifying to it. Also, it will help you to reduce menstrual pain. So we are going to have a full teaspoon of our ginger, which is the first recipe. Please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to drop your comments. We need this. We also need a teaspoon of grated turmeric. Please, when you are grating your ginger or turmeric, use this space. I forgot, then I mistakenly used this particular face. It's too big. We need something smoother than this. So I advise you use this particular face of the grater. This is all you need for this particular tea. Just 1 teaspoon of ginger, then a teaspoon of turmeric. This is our number 2 ingredient. Then the third one is oregano. This is a very powerful spice. Oregano is very good. I will encourage us to have this in our kitchen all day round. Oregano is the third recipe we need here, and we'll equally need a teaspoon of oregano. Please, I will suggest you use fresh oregano. I am using this dry oregano because I could not access the fresh one at the moment. If you can use everything here fresh, you will love the outcome. But if you know you can't access or you can't get fresh ginger or fresh turmeric nor fresh oregano, you can also use the dry one. Now we are going to add 2 cups of water to our pot. Next, we are going to transfer the turmeric, ginger and oregano into a pot and allow to boil for 10 minutes. Allow the tea to cool down for some minutes before straining. It's time to strain the tea. To get a better result, you will need to take this tea twice in a day. First thing in the morning and last thing before going to bed. And you have to do it for 30 days. I mean, you need to take this tea for 30 days without skipping any day. Let's assume you start today, you start counting 1 to 30 and you must not skip a single day. And after 1 week, you will start noticing positive results. Thanks for staying by. See you in my next video.